cynicism that people talk about global stage, India getting recognized on the global stage, and what would people who don't even have a passport know about it? So you hear a lot of wisdom from people on the street about why it matters to them. For the longest time, Gorakhpur was known for the Gorakhnath Mutt. But now the city has gone beyond the mandir. It is a bustling city with malls, offices, what have you. A lot of people come here also talking about the development that the area has seen. आप बताइए, आपके बचपन के गोरखपुर और अब में कुछ फर्क दिखता है?
Yes, so many changes are there nowadays. Like since I born in 87, but since 87 I am in Indore. So when I came that time just to be in Indore, and when I came to Gorakhpur, we all the family we have to stay at Gorakhpur station because we cannot go to our native place, that is Khajni, because roads are not good, and lots of fear was there because we cannot travel in the night. So many things were, but nowadays so many changes were there. We cannot go easily to the home. We can I can easily travel to n numbers of locations. Since last 20 days I am in Gorakhpur and I am traveling so many places like Sonoli. I recently went Maharajganj. Then I went to Kushinagar. So many changes are there, like roads, lights, infra. You just mentioned that malls and all. So these developments are there. And in terms of education also, so many schools, colleges. Recently I went a place, I cannot recognize the name, so they were coming with the Ayurvedic university as well. So I cannot remember the place was, and I don't know all the location. But these all development helps to grow Gorakhpur kids, the education in terms of, and in terms of jobs also, if I'm not wrong. So these developments are there.
But tell me this, if today the voters of Uttar Pradesh, you also say you support the BJP, what is the one reason you support? Because when you talk about Akhilesh Yadav, Priyanka Gandhi, they say कि real issues of jobs, गरीबी, ये कोई बात ही नहीं करता है.
See, like I don't know these people exactly because I'm not into this politics. But as far as job is concerned, there are so many jobs, but the proper aspirants are not there.